Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to see deleted messages on WhatsApp. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. Now, I am sending few messages from my other device. Now, I am deleting them. As you can see, the messages are gone. So let's check how to view them. Open your phone settings and go to notifications. Then tap on notification history. Here, you will be able to see the deleted WhatsApp messages as notifications. It shows messages from the last 24 hours. If your notification history wasn't turned on before, you won't be able to see all deleted messages. So make sure to enable it from now on, and you will be able to view deleted message after that in future. Thanks for watching.